Byron at Modern Muscle here. Today I want to shoot a short Hemi Tech video that shows you how to time your VVT Hemi engine. This will apply to any 5.7, 6.4, or 6.2 Hellcat engine. So we get a lot of calls almost daily for people that have the P0016 code, which is like a cam crank sync correlation code or issue. And oftentimes this is accompanied by the vehicle really doesn't run right after a camshaft install, even if it's like an OEM camshaft that doesn't require tuning. Like I said, the engine, it spits, it sputters. You have to hold your foot on the gas to keep it running. If you have that, P0016 code, your timing chain is timed improperly. So today I want to show you how to time it properly. The most common misconception is that these engines time at 12 and 6. They don't. They actually time at 12 and 5. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a still shot up here on the screen because it's really hard to see this. We're going to put a still shot up that shows the top and the bottom marks. And it also shows this graphic that we send out with every MMX VVT camshaft. So basically you get your MMX cam, it's going to come with this graphic that shows you, how to actually line up the timing marks. Basically, I'll explain it here quickly. You have two colored links here. They're basically a rectangle shape. You have these two links on your actual timing chain itself, and then you have a mark on the upper gear. So you need to make sure that those two links straddle this mark on the upper gear. And then if we come down here to the bottom, you will see that we have one single rectangular colored link, and that has to go directly on that dot. And I'm not sure if you can see through the video here, but this is actually not at 6 o'clock. It's not straight down. It's more over here at 5 o'clock. And this is where most people wind up messing this up. So we're going to back out here for a second. When you do time your engine, you want number one piston at top dead center. You want to go ahead and install your camshaft, like I said, and line up these marks. So I'm going to grab an oil pump here, and I'm going to show you a really handy tip that we use here when we do a cam job in the vehicle. All right, I'm going to show you guys a really handy tip that we use here if we do an in-house camshaft install that's actually in the vehicle. So with the oil pump on, and this is where most people mess up, with the oil pump on, you cannot see that lower mark. So you're purely guessing, if you just blindly take this all apart and you don't mark anything. So one thing that we like to do is we like to come in here with a paint pen, and we will mark the chain, and we will mark the block. We will come down here, and we will mark the guide, and we'll mark the chain, and then we'll come over here on the tensioner, and we'll mark that, and we'll mark that. That way we have 3 different points of reference that we can actually line this engine back up with. So, if it was running before, it has to run again if you time it the exact same way. That's the simplest way to put it. So, like I said, go ahead and mark your chain before you take this apart, before you do your camshaft install. And then that way, you slide your new MMX camshaft in, you put your timing gear on, you line up these marks. You don't have to worry about the factory timing marks. You're basically making your own timing marks. This is the easiest way to do it, and that way you don't have to worry about it. Obviously, if you've taken it all apart, you need to follow the instructions that I just showed you guys in the timing graphic that we send out with our camshaft. Hope this helps you guys, with your next Hemi cam install.